Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today we are in a Metropolitan Park, Taichung, Taiwan. So I will show you that. Let's go. So guys, this is the starting part of this park, and there is a lot of family here according, and this side is the car parking. This side is the car parking. So guys, I will show you inside the park because there's many family here, and there's two part, left and right side, so I will show you both sides. Let's go. As you can see, here is a very big area for playing, and many people come here for camping. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people has a camping area, camping here with their family, children, eating, and it's a very good place for playing and as well as for the hiking. The trees with red leaves and green. I don't know what's the name of this tree, but it's look very beautiful when you see from the far. And now we are going to walking there's around the park. If you can see this side, there's many people camping, sleeping here. It's very good view, yes. And we will just walking around, guys. Almost one side we end, so now we are going to another side. So I think we need to cross from that bridge, so I just looking for that. And you can see, guys, it's very beautiful. If you are come with the family, I think it's a very beautiful area to visit. Here you people, you can see cycling also, and like there is a renting for the cycling, so you can for the cycling also here. A very beautiful road with the amazing 4 lines of white, so it's very good for photography. If you see this run over from there, so guys, it's very beautiful for photography. And if you want to cycling, it's very good area for cycling and photography. So if you want to come with the friends, maybe there's 3 or tricycle. I'm alone, so I'm not just walking around. Let's go. So guys, now we are entering in the Metropolitan Park. The door, it's a, I think, information service, like a visitor service center. I think there's so many information about this park here, but I not want to talk with anyone about these things. Here is a TMP gallery and display room inside. I don't know. And this is the big map of the park. So it's very big park. Tour of the park. So guys, here mention about some like a Taichung Metropolitan Park, Tainan. So it's mentioned national park, different park. Taroko National Park, I think in Holland, Yushan National Park, and National Natural Park, Renting National Park. So there are many park about it. And Yang mentioned National Park photography and therapeutical waterway. Visitor information about this park, tour of the park, and so many flower that in this park they have Chinese red elders, and some oriented flowers. It's discussing about the many kind of flower that is in this park and which place they mention, and impression of Taichung Park. So it's a good display. Let's go outside. This is the lake view area. I think the water level is down here, so Let's see. Yeah, the water level is very low today, I think, and it's very good view also. Otherwise water is low, but view is still very beautiful, and many people here to visit this area also. You can check this. It's a very beautiful area, and there is a duck inside. Fish, I no doubt there is a fish and tortoise everywhere in Taichung Park. Guys, this is the main building in the Metropolitan Park. You can see very big one. Here you have different session for information center, display, gallery, and many ones. And this is, I think it's showing some kind of a rocket, as I think Melitron is the military base before, I think so. So it's very beautiful, guys. Many children playing here. Guys, you can see many people here for their lunch. Unfortunately today is a Ramadan, I'm fasting, so I not bring anything to eat here. So this is a one bridge. I want to show this right side. Like, let's go this side because I think there is a one auditorium like for the functions. I want to show you that one. Yeah, here is a one lake, but I think the lake is dry. There's no water. I see, you already see that before, like it's also there's only little bit water, and here is totally dry. Yeah, it's a dry lake. Guys, I come down here, the dry lake. If you show, it's very cool. You can see, guys, how much there's like a space. Like it's very amazing view you can see, and the whole lake is dry. So when it dry, it's totally burst, and you can see a lot of space in between, and it's look very beautiful. Although it's dry, but it's still very beautiful. Here is another bridge, but the bridge, there is no water here, and if you see this, it's green here, and if I show the bridge this side, you can see the dry. It still look very beautiful. And guys, if you see in front of me, there is some area for functions, like if any activity here, there's kind of a stage, and there's area for people to sitting there. So it's very interesting and very beautiful area. You can see this tree. I love it. It's a red leaf. Yeah, guys. You can see, guys, here this area to perform some functions here. It's kind of auditorium. And children, very cute girl doing dancing here. It's very beautiful. Okay, this is the another gate for entrance, where you can park your car, and this way start the view from here. It's very beautiful, and you can see there's no leaf on these trees. After that, there's a tree with the green and red leaves. It's very good. So guys, this area is observation area. You can see many boards here, like the green partner in the life at Ethenobotany. So there's different cinnamon camphora. So many, you can see many boards here, and these boards about different plants here. Like in this area, they mention about the many, like Morris Australia's pure. So I don't know its botany. It's many here. And they mention about be aware of snake, be aware of beeps, no BBQ, no release of animal. So you cannot catch the snake here to make a barbecue. And Chinese fan palm, it's look like a date tree. And There's many garden, you can see everywhere. There's a board, there is a board. Guys, this is another place where people playing. You can see many people playing with the racket, and some has flowers and bubbles, and also people here for camping. So it's very beautiful area to visit as well as to play. Hope you will like if you come here. Guys, you can see here very beautiful rock with different color. I thought before it's a painting, but it's not a painting, it's tiles. They fix the tiles here. You can see it's the tiles. So it's very beautiful on the bone side. I think there's a water here, but I think due to the shortage of water here, there's no water. If you see that the lake is also dry, and I think from here the water is flow from down of ours there under the bridge, but I think there's shortage of water. And guys, this is the lake where we said before, and this is the area where you can people, if you want to play here, you can fly. And I don't know when is the people going to fly the kite here, because that is a very beautiful part, as I see in the picture before and in my previous video that I make almost 1 year or 1.5 years before. Here the kite is so big, and there's a little bit windy, but this is I think the night time for kite. So you can see, guys, it's very beautiful. Many people playing here with the family, with the kids going cycling and playing much fun, a lot of fun here. So it's cool. You can see some zodiac signs, like I don't believe in these things, but they has here like a Scorpius, Libra, Virgo, this sign on this board. And most interesting, they're showing some world here. Our beautiful lake, and we just showed before, starting from that side we cover almost half side here. So here is the one, I think it's showing the universe. So it's look very beautiful, big, and please do not surmount. So it's in Chinese, so it's about some July here, only July, and Corona Borealis is mentioned here. The basic power of comet is that I work in the ultrasound. Comet tail artifact is here. And June, it's telling about the stars, I think. Yeah, centuries. Even inside I didn't know, but it's April green. I think it's telling about the stars. And planisphere is mentioned there. So I think it's kind of stars that people believe, like a February, or Auriga. It's a January, it's a Taurus, and Perseus. So I don't believe in these things. So the planet of solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto is not here. So it kind of looks beautiful, guys. Although it looks beautiful, but I don't know what's the meaning, and I don't know what is. So guys, this is the end of the park. So I'm going back to the bus station to go back to Taichung Center, and because it's a little bit far away, and you need to check the time schedule. If you stay at night time, like I think in the last bus is 7 or 8 o'clock, so you need to take care of that, because after that it's almost impossible to find the bus from here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you like. If you have a children, I think this area is very good to play with the children. And if you like the camping, you can bring your camp here and you can eat here your lunch. It's very amazing. It's very big. You can play, you fly the kite, and a lot of fun. And there's a lake, anyway. View is also very good. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video also. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.